standing somehow. No sleep, still working. Mind running faster than the city. Cold rain, long trains. Too much noise inside my chest, but I keep moving. Stay sharp, stay breathing. Can't let the pressure slow me down, 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 down. Kick drum smashing through steel walls, smoke hanging low across the crowd. Bodies moving under red strobes, like survival turned into rhythm. Acid line crawling through the darkness, like stress becoming raw momentum. No fake confidence here tonight. Everybody can carry in something heavy. Sweat dripping onto black concrete. Heartbeat sync to the groove. Don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself. Keep moving now. Keep moving now. Some days hit without warning. Everything feels heavier than usual. Low energy, no silence. Too many thoughts after midnight. Still wake up though. Still step back into the fight. That's real strength. Not pretending life feels easy. Just refusing to disappear inside the pressure. Baseline shaking through the ribs like the warehouse breathing with us. Raise the heat, raise the sound. Feel the whole room turning electric. Push harder, stay locked in. Don't let the darkness settle in. Empty mornings, I know, staring at walls at 4 a.m. Still breathing though, still trying to build something better. Warehouse smoke, concrete floors. Bodies moving like one machine. Acid tearing through the system, like fear finally losing power. No perfect future waiting outside, still we keep moving forward. Break apart. transmission ends somewhere. This one disappeared into nothing. Emotionally erased, like the city disconnected from itself. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence feels artificial now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. Pulse accelerating, signal collapsing, no silence inside the transmission. Special, 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 special. Ripping through the darkness. Something unstable keeps running underneath the surface. Like fear, wired into the system. Circuitry. Reflection feels emotionally erased, like humanity disconnected from itself. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence feels mechanical now, frozen, restless, disconnected. Signal collapsing, pulse accelerating. No silence inside the circuitry. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors, base pressure shaking steel foundations, dark silhouettes beneath red lighting, moving through industrial fog. Acid distortion tearing through the darkness, like fear translated into sound waves. Everything feels unstable tonight. Cold lights, cold air, cold circuits. Fear, circuit, static, system, fear, circuit. No escape. The system keeps running. Somewhere beneath the static. pressure too low. Now the fear feels distant. No sleep, still moving. Another hard week through the city. Gray skies, heavy lungs, same stress every morning again. Cold nights, fast heartbeat, mind still racing after midnight. Still I move though, still pushing through the noise. No shortcuts, no clean escape. Just survive through pressure. Kick drums, mashing through concrete walls. Smoke rolling heavy through the warehouse. Kick drums, mashing through concrete walls. Smoke rolling heavy through the warehouse. Bodies moving under dark bright strobes. They survive, become an instinct. Acid lines screaming through the darkness. Like tension turning into momentum. Nobody here can pretend tonight. Everybody here survives something heavy. Some mornings feel impossible, too much pressure before sunrise. Late bills, no silence, too many thoughts moving nonstop. Still get up though, still fight through the struggle, that's real strength. Not fake motivation online, not empty confidence for attention. Just survive another hard week alive. Raise the pressure, raise the sound. Feel the warehouse shaking harder. Push forward, stay focused. Turn the stress into movement. Smoke in the air, bass to the chest, one heartbeat under red lights. As it tearing through the system, like fear finally losing control. No easy future waiting outside, still we keep moving anyway. Concrete floor shaking, non-stop energy crashing wall to wall. Don't stop, now. Full warehouse pressure, industrial chaos everywhere. Kick drums crashing through the smoke.